Hi, so this video is for students who were unable to do the in-class student-led discussion. And so in lieu of that assignment, students will be asked to write up another reflective letter. It'll be the same points as what the in-class discussion was, which was 100 points. And so this reflective letter is different in that it's less about your beliefs about student learning and teaching and more about your experiences, engagement in the course over the semester. And so this will be written as a letter to me, and it'll ask you to reflect on the work you've completed through the course of the semester. So a few questions that you'll want to think about and respond to are questions 1 through 5. Prior to this class, what did I know about writing, researching, and teaching in my discipline? So what was your prior knowledge to coming into this course? And when enrolling, what did I want to learn in this course? And then, of course, what did I actually learn? Which, of course, again, will be limited in scope, seeing that our service learning component and classroom meeting times were cut. And then any ways in which your concepts of writing, research, and teaching practices have changed throughout the semester based on the textbooks, the readings, responses, assignments, and so forth. And how can I connect this prior, future, and current knowledge to your role as a teacher in the future? You can think of some of the writing and research practices that we've used in this semester, such as brainstorming, drafting, scaffolding, revision, narrowing topics, navigating and learning how to use database systems, best practices associated with teaching pedagogy, and so much more. So you will feel free to discuss any of these practices or others that you feel that are relevant to your learning throughout this course. So what I would expect that you would do is sit down and spend an hour to an hour and a half writing this up. It should usually be around 2 to 4 pages double spaced. And so this isn't meant to be something that you spend, a week on, but rather something that you kind of sit down almost in a way like a final exam would be if you had a written final exam, where you would spend the hour and a half writing this out and then submitting it to the assignment folder. A few things to just keep in mind. Reflective letters obviously are very fluid in nature, other than the 5 kind of questions that are posed. The only other kind of requirements would be is that you'll want to make direct references to at least one of the projects that you wrote this semester, as well as any of the informal writing, service learning, or class assignments that we've done in the course that were of particular importance to you, or something that stuck out to you. Make sure that you have a clear goal for your reflection. And so again, kind of framing it potentially with like these 5 questions would be probably a nice way to outline the essay. Excuse me. And then they should use an APA formatting 12-point font with Times New Roman. And so that's really it. And so, like I said, I don't expect you to spend, days or weeks on this. I expect you to sit down and write this out in like an hour, hour and a half and submit it. So if you do have questions, of course, for me, let me know. But again, this is going to be unique to you because it'll be unique to your prior, current, and future knowledge and what you found of importance or useful in the class, and how that will hopefully link to your persona and ethos as a teacher in the future. Okay? Reach out if you do have any questions at all or if you want me to look at anything. All right? Thank you.